Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about my own mortgage. I was one of the unfortunate mortgage payers who ended up paying £450 a month extra. This is despite having 50% of equity on my average 3-bedroom house. Apparently, Mr. Hill said higher interest rates were not responsible for record hikes in rental costs. Quite to the contrary, it was the immigrants. If I don't know something, I like to ask the question. Of course, it can make me look and sound quite simple, but I'd really like to know the answer. And the question is, if I was a homeowner and had a second home on a let-to-rent mortgage payment, and my monthly rates would bump up by £450 a month, like my own mortgage did, the question I'd like to ask is, where would I get that money from? Let's recap. I'm a second home owner and I'm renting it out. But my buy-to-let mortgage has gone up by £450 a month. How would I recuperate my losses? Would I chuck the blame on immigrants? Or would it have something to do with higher interest rates? Answers on postcards, please.